Get ready. Start. The question of rationalizing the system of holidays and working hours at present observed by the Punjab government and also of the leave enjoyed by Punjab government servants has been examined at some length. Full stop. The present system is defective in many ways. Full stop. The incidence of holidays is eccentric and often disturbs the continuity of work. Full stop. Possibly because of their eccentric incidence, holidays are in fact not always allowed to be treated as such, and miscellaneous work is often required to be done on those days. Full stop. A system in which neither work nor leisure is undisturbed obviously need reform so that both are more effective. Full stop. Leave rules are not realistic in that although leave, both privilege and casual, is admissible to government servants at a liberal scale, it is seldom possible to take it in full in actual practice. Full stop. Government are therefore of the view that a reform in the present organization of work and leisure is necessary so that work is done and leisure enjoyed on a more rational basis. Full stop. Government are convinced that with a better and more effective organization of leisure, it will be possible for government servants to work longer and harder, particularly in the cooler months. Full stop. Harder work from the government servants is required in the context of the country's present economic struggle and should be well within their capacity if they are given adequate and systematic rest and leisure. Full stop. Next para. Government have therefore decided to increase working hours during the cooler months so that more work is done to reorganize holidays so that adequate rest is given and the continuity of work is not disturbed, and to rationalize leave rules so that an official without being entitled to inordinately long periods of absence can and in fact generally does take the leave due to him. Full stop. The object is to introduce a system which combines hard work with real leisure. Full stop. Next para. As government will not now be allowing any holidays on festive and religious occasions, and as government is nevertheless anxious that each employees should get the fullest opportunity of celebrating and observing such occasions as are important to him, a government servant will be able to take at his option 6 holidays in a year. Full stop. Next para. He may, if he so chooses, take 2 half days of work instead of an entire day For this purpose, stop.